So my people, me have couple live for share with you, my people. See, so Rosalie and the woman, I don't remember what she name, seeing them clash again, people. See what I say? Cause them clash when Candy did get hold on pan, and now Candy get free up. Seeing, me I go share one little piece of that. Cause Candy that road, you know, my people. You see me? But Rosalie and her clash, seeing Rosalie have some things to say about her, you know what I mean? And she respond to Rosalie and also respond to Candy. Boy, she go hard, my people. So, I want to tell me when you're done watch. Who wanna feel like go the hardest? You see me? And she's never dep on TikTok for couple days now. You see me I say? And people I say she get hold on pan and a chat about her things. You see me? So she's come kinda clear up that and she have something to say about Ivan. You see me? So we have to go hear that from Cheese. And the woman where she and Cheese and Ivan did kick off right now, she and Cheese dip on live together with people. So all that me I go share with you now. So we're gonna kick it off right now. See, we're gonna kick it off with Candy.
Nobody yet,
No, I can share only most did I call your name. Only family.
Big one them beer me
over there for sure.
Rocky them beer me blood clot witness. Me never yet call Candy name so bad. Me a girl when I stoop to blood clot girl. Cause me not stoop to Candy but to the truth them have blood clot at the truth.
But who do you say Tiki call Candy name?
I don't know myself Tiki call Candy, but Tiki even just that listen. I only most did I call Candy, you know, over there today.
Just must argue to me.
Beauty.
Only the call Candy name, only class Candy today.
And Cutie.
Right, even that class same. Sure.
Click on it, everybody. Cutie. See, then click on it and follow.
So me wonder when me hear that Destiny say a class, me a cheer class Candy, and when she a class Candy Rosalie, me start back share, and that's what me and him pick out.
Please.
Alright, Candy, take me down.
Yes,
I'm
sister,
Why hear your point, auntie? You want a long time blood clot woman there. Maybe you will say. Where she gone?
But you see, Rose, everything where Candy say now, me did don't tell Rosalie all a blood clot them here. Destiny need to go tell Candy say, you see Candy me always attack. Candy probably can't read good, but no pussy sense like a Candy. I'll daily me tell Rosalie that. Rose, you see Candy lock up what Candy get? A blood clot Destiny cause. Cause Destiny never say Rosalie. Yeah, back. Candy would go choke off me in the face because Candy wouldn't run in at the funeral. So Candy would get blood clot lock up. So when Candy has suffer with the
everybody,
when Candy has suffer the blood clot cell with the and Destiny they are road free, Destiny can't see.
Click on Cutie. Everybody click on Cutie and follow it. See there, click and follow it. Let me hear where Tiki has
Candy, you hear me clean now? You lock up when you get to the area in a custody of Destiny cast that. Because if Destiny never tell you so blood clot, me none of the care back you don't know. You do blood clot no. A Destiny cast you don't know Fifi. Fifi come after Destiny. Everything, all Destiny fi back Candy. When Candy and no blood clot idiot. Candy knows so the biggest bring down in get fire. Only somebody try for blood clot stop Destiny and tap Candy in a life for Destiny. A blood clot Destiny do everything fit up, every chopper black, every progress a blood clot Candy. So only
Candy.
blood clot.
Candy?
Yeah.
Listen to what me I say. Tiki and Destiny have what them have going on. You is not a part of it.
Good.
You hear what me I say? You are not a part of it. I understand say Tiki want vent and Tiki want do what Tiki want to do, but you don't need fear harbor that right now. over here.
Yeah.
Destiny never have nothing to say about you. Destiny never bring you down. So you no need for your arbor Tiki right now. I do a Tiki I do. I mean, no disrespect to Tiki, but you and Destiny no have nothing at all.
But me have to listen because Destiny said that make she and Tiki catch up.
What
Because
make she and Tiki
It's
catch
not
up?
that, and it's not that, and
It's not that.
It's not that.
no bad boy me.
It's like the damn cattle, it's not that.
Tiki by it out.
Destiny a liar.
You know, say me start cry. Me start blood clot cry and me go avoid every blood clot body. And if we don't roast, because the rose alone me see blood clot liar when he come on to me. Me go avoid every blood clot body because I don't know what they people you hate me for me not trouble blood clot people. You know like them a tell for me. It's not that. Destiny want to argue with Tiki. But one night when a 4-way and Tiki mute the trouble of body. And the mute when Tiki mute Destiny upon the match, I saw them start to argue.
Candy.
Yeah.
Me dey pan Tiki live most every night and every day.
Hold
But
on,
don't
baby.
hear my bring
Hold on there, baby. 1 minute. Hold on. Everybody follow Cutie. Click and follow Cutie. I'm here just click and follow, please. Everybody click and follow Cutie. Me I change up my style. I start play with some different set of people. Me can't bother with them. Them across is them not happy. Me come out. Click and follow Cutie, please.
A true Candy.
Click and follow Cutie. From me I start play with some different set of people. Can't bother.
Yeah, man, Candy go on a different mission.
Talk to me now, auntie. See my friend here was in the orange dress. She first want to talk to me. Follow Cutie, everybody. Click, please.
So me not really follow Candy thing still, you know, people, but me did hear them a say I want long time thing him get hold on pan for. You see me? So the person they will say a destiny cause him forget hold on pan. I know that me here is it me here say is a long time thing what them did hold him for. Him take away himself, you know what I mean, and them hold on pan him after him go there. You know what I mean? If he send with somebody else, them hold on pan him. You see it? So that made it here and Destiny and Candy. Today them good. Tomorrow them no good. You see me I say? Them always in a some kind of something. And then you see them good again. You see it? So we not really stay too long here so we're gonna watch some more and then we're gonna go over Rosalie, you know, and this up the woman. You see me I say? And Rosalie talk about also the money where she make the woman get where they are. So we're gonna get into that after we done watch some more of this.
Alright, good night again. Me say, come in, I love baga. Me love staying at the comments and watch and listen. From the gum, from the app, I'm here say that tell me I watch Tiki and I go up on Rosalie live more time. But me watch Tiki straight time. You know him vibes like you. But for me I watch Tiki if on the app, me don't hear him calling him and say nothing bad against you. Me not tell a lie on him. You understand? I just say Destiny is a problem maker. She love problem. I'm watch her very whole heap of time and she say she love problem. And when nobody not come for her, she come for people and she for stop it. She must stop it. From your gun, I Tiki me and watch straight. And me not hear my call your name.
Everybody click and follow Cutie. Destiny says she defend me and blood clot to care by it out.
It's untrue. Lie.
Follow Cutie, everybody. Click and follow Cutie. Destiny say I miss her pick up. She not the one look no problem with me as much as how she not like me. So me no know if you are lie. Anybody who have them opinion just jump up and talk. I fool them out.
Lie, Destiny. I never hear she say that. Destiny wicked too, you see? No, sir. She ate Rose and she ate
Everybody
Tiki.
click and follow Q.
Candy enough for friend Destiny because she had
Candy.
kids and Tiki.
Click and follow Cutie. Everybody click and follow Cutie, please. See there? Click and follow it. Let's start play with
Candy.
some girl and then somebody can't
Me did
follow
dep on the live, you know. Me did dep on the live one time.
Cutie.
Tiki and them did overshare. Me's a Destiny fan, you know, but Tiki never said anything about you on that live. Destiny did not say that Tiki said anything about you either. Destiny was only saying that Tiki presence was there when time Shay and the rest of people them are bring you down. That was what Destiny said.
Kasha pick up for Shay. And she's picking up for Shay. And she's picking up for Shay.
So Destiny has said, since Tiki and your friend, Tiki shouldn't bother in other harbor in there. That Destiny has said.
That a true, that a true. That a true.
Me think like
So Destiny, me watch Destiny straight, every Destiny having ways, Destiny cussy and Destiny whatever, but right through the app can me not pick up for nobody. Destiny was defending you.
Everybody click and follow Cutie, please. See there, click and follow Cutie. Everybody click and follow Cutie, please and thanks. See there, click and follow Cutie and follow Cutie, please and thanks. See there. Please and thanks. You can follow her. It's me hairdresser. She am a hairdresser. She do me hair. Me I change up my style. Me not to play with some batty boy. My class. Destiny and me them have been there. It shade. So no like me. Because me did add Kiki. Everybody click and follow Cutie. See there, click and follow Cutie.
You can't take me down now, auntie.
Alright, baby. Take her down for me, moderator.
Alright, so people, tell me what you think about that. And a long time, them all on pan candy for still, you know, people, about month hard, not true? So, let me know what you think, my people. So, we are going to go over Rosalee, you know. I hear what Rosalee has said.
Between some of them and me. Me a real girl. But of them company internet come scrape phone no money. And then miss if you had 2 day, 3 day, 4 day. And them not understand say. You see ya so? Or people them work with consistency. Every day I can go up on Rosalie live, go watch her. She crack 2 jokes, I get a laugh. Even thing what she do. Me and a reason. Every blood clot there, which is consistency. She not just come, beg to give and dig off. Enough time I still don't nothing a blood clot when I'm still so. Enough time me there. That is how I build my platform. No bitch. No bitch. No bitch to me. That is how I build my platform. Yeah. I regular me there. Nothing a go on. Me can't get a gift. Me can't get a gift. Me still as with people at 3, 4 o'clock at night. Back up in the last year. Me sit down on my platform at night time and talk to my people them. And build, create a team. Create something, build something. Have some 1 and 2 people them come up on my live I'ma see them, I mean, I match, me know what me, I'll get something. The only way me not get on unless them not have it. Sometimes them come with something and go and come back with something else. Me build my platform, me not come but come on guys. Come on guys, Kasha Hangle, Kasha Hangle. Me build my platform till me can come out as a poor blood clot guy when I live nowhere can beg for people. I saw me build my platform and I watch the face. In a since week, 100,000, I stay right as I'm big and get the lady. 100,000. 100 blood clot thousand. For a poor gal, where her background not change, I shouldn't live now, I shouldn't have nothing. No for them now, because people are going to say, me they want 100,000 to some big 100,000 and get what the smaddy. One of them check the ratio, because sometimes when I talk, when I feel like say I fuck me a blood clot talk. Me I reason with my people them today. The woman get $700 US, 100 and almost 1,000. $100,000 the woman get. Thank you, baby. 100,000. I mean I live nowhere. Remember my background can't change because I mean I live nowhere. And not for the black ones that on the blood clot internet with a slung and class me. Not for the bitches them with a slung and class blood clot me. No for the blackers them class me. No for the bitches them class me. Me no do them, me no know them from now. We have never met. And none of them now go upon them live and slung and beg 100,000 and give it away. One of them want to live somewhere or not. Me bless. Me too blessed to stress. Not now, me no worry about nothing. Me make God work. It's always God on time for me. None of them now sit down and beg 100,000 like that and give it away. And more than one time. I remember one girl one night, one girl come. So she have one young baby, she wants some papa to her sister. And 50,000 I beg and give her. Pash come here, Pash get 80,000. Cashmere come here, Cashmere get most 100,000, 800 US that. I sit on this platform that I have and I have asked for help for people. Jaden there, but beg and Jaden said speed. I sit on this platform and I ask for help for people. What them now look at them hungry? Them now because them hungry. For them platform is about go suck your mother and big pussy girl, you big and stink. Your shape bad, you don't look good, yeah. I come guys, I beg 2 cash up, can you say yeah class me? Forget cash up. It's just that people, I can't help everybody. I can't work that way, but I've helped people since when the 100,000 woman get.
I chose still in people when Rosalie never did so. When she never have gifter like that. When she never have a lot of gifter like that. Rosalie depend live right through. You see me I say? Even when she did a try go up on the podium. You see me I say? Rosalie depend live right through. And as she come off and go rest look a bit, I see that back on live. So she kind of build her platform in her way still. You know what I mean? And I know everybody I go get them followers and gifters the same way. You know what I mean? Some people I go cuss other people. Some people I go do other things. You know what I mean? I know everybody are gonna get it the same way, but she put in the, you know what I mean? She put in the thing. That's why she a get what she a get, you know. You see me? So I make watch some more people and hear what she a say.
If you a girl like me when I live now, we have 2 picnic and me beg 100,000. Me da go in it and say, boy, Like what me beg the 100,000. I'ma take 5 and give you 2. I'ma take 4. Send me 4 tier and give her 3. I give her 4 and give me 3. The whole like she collect. When the woman go collect her money, Tara said, Rosalie, I get the blood clot email so the money has been collected. Me thank all of my supporter them. She never come say thanks. Cause when I give something, so when I give somebody something with the, which is genuine, you now wait for them to say thank you. Cause you as a human being must know that it's very appreciative. Yeah. Them can't class me, them never help nobody, them a thief. Them is thief. See, Alice, yeah? And that's why Alice love me so. And that's why Alice love me so. Alice ever come as a con shoot where she have. Cause Alice see me use my platform and help people. The boy, but the power alive and the boy come on the back. I say, Rosalie, thank you. But the American, no. No, City D, no. Them can't break me pie. I'ma build my platform. Me, come here, come sit down and build my platform. Yeah. So if somebody in a spot, I'ma say, boy, people know so that person look like them want to look at help them for me, please. Help them if I even know one again. I want my seminar. That can't stop me from hear somebody I cry if I ever know I could and can't. Me ask the people them right here so. Remember I don't want somebody that contribute more than one somebody. Ever make a money work I want $5, $1 $10, $1 $3, $1 $4. You put together and say, hey, go and buy what you want. Thank you for your first gift, baby. Me and them in a blood clot school class. Because them doesn't know about platform. For them platform no bill yet. For them platform no bill yet. Them still need one overhead. For them platform come like blood clot bike. Them still need 2 more wheel our overhead for our overhead and our steering wheel. Plus thing one good brake and tool and wallet more gas for drive. Me not let them sorry with them. Make them talk. Me I want to on TikTok long enough. Over here so is not a cash up live, but sometimes we do ask a cash up. Cause we try to help others. None of them we sit up on podium. None of them we sit on podium I never see them do a fundraising yet. None of them when we sit on podium weekly, monthly, all the while never sit up on them platform and do a fundraising yet. I look on the class me. If you're gonna class me, if you're gonna bring me down, eh? Me see me over here have one look of sex tie and I show it. I see one girl say that's supposed to last and then me say when a man move him out with hard last and that day. I'll click on the page, me say follow back. So I realize some look of rodent. Whatever everywhere go fling and class people. Una can't class me. I am entitled to be right here. I have grown this platform from use that phone, yeah. That pager carry that pager to 1,000. And from use of pager carry that pager for 1,000, I even say me I use. I have grown my platform, still long and grown. When nothing now go on, me still long same way I saw. Sometimes when I look back, I say, guys, must soon come. You can't class me. Time will not waste.
So Rosalie, I forget big up for what she do. You know what I mean? For get the money for the woman. You see me? Because no, nobody now to do them thing there again like one time, you know. You see me? Nobody now try to get the money for nobody again. You see me? Because couple people come on the live them and tell people say yo them I go through whatever. You know what I mean? And people get money for them and then you find out say I fool the people. You see me? People make up things and come. So enough people like one time them nah do that again. You see me? So I feel big up Rosalie for that. You understand me I say? So we're gonna watch some more people and then we'll go over to the woman, you know, or respond to Rosalie because Rosalie I talk about you know what I mean? Say she nah do nothing for nobody. You see me I say? While Rosalie I do things to people. You know what I mean? Rosalie I say like she forward pan life, make the people them send money, then she go on about her business, then come back, beg the people them again when that the money they done. So we could watch some more.
And you know what I feel good on myself. May I tell you, God, people, as much as though me not living in my own place, my Kasha, so I feel proud of me. You know why I feel proud of me? I can come on my platform and if somebody want to help with even medication, I can say, come on people, let's go. Let us help this person. I'm very proud of myself. I can click my live and say, come on people, let's go. Let us help this person. I am proud of that. I can click my live and say, oh people, let's go. Let us help this individual. I'm very proud of that. Thank you, darling. That is my utmost proudness. Kind of everybody can click them platform and say, come on guys, let's
Rosie, what's up?
Team Beg beat the stick.
Yeah, Team Beg beat the stick.
Me and him today. Give me 2 minutes.
No problem, baby. We can't deal with him.
Come here.
I told him. C0Me beat the stick never.
Come. Guys, I am proud of you. We always help people child practice. Always. Because I have known the weakness of wanting something when you don't have it.
Boss, you big up,
You know the weakness of when you want something and can't get it. You know the weakness of wanting help. Right now, later on, we're gonna do one fundraising for Italian. Can you say I want to register the bike? So I come back now, I go try say if me can get him. One look money say I can go register the bike. Me and Miss B. Them can't bring me down. Them can't bring me down pan
Chop, come.
How are them, man?
Chop. Give me some rose. Me move on with
Child purpose you can't come for script for yourself. See Jaden there? But come here, me ask the donation, me get him money. Me help him. Me not help him for views,
No,
me not help him for views. I'm gonna help him come on, like, cause I'm telling you already, you know. Views.
No have money. Views no have money on it. Ghost, big up on them, sir. Everybody sing a road.
Where they?
I can't tell up my location. I can't really tell up my location, you know. Everybody send a rose, chat. Everybody send a rose. Come. Everybody send a rose. Nia, thank you. Jeremy, and thank you. Everybody send a rose. Come, chat. Tiffy, thank you, chat. Everybody send a rose. Give 06.
Whispers bed no look so.
Whispers bed no look so. All them fucking need that there. I saw girl get fast.
Come on, guys, use a triple chat. Come on, chat. Come on, guys, make us use a triple and go
triple
up there.
Chat.
Yes. Use a triple chat. Thank you, baby. Use a triple chat. Come on, guys.
Alright, so my people. Alright, so I go end that one here. Then we'll go over to the woman, you know. I respond to Rosalie and also Candy. You see me? I not like people. She get out, you know. Yeah, man, she deal with them away. So, make we hear what she are going with.
Rosalie never beard. Rosalie never look beard. Rosalie stand up, make the people them see you. Stand up, make the people them see the chair. The bottom of the chair is a mess. Rosalie, you fart out the chair, you run in your belly, you poop shit, and the chair from it going in your house, it not come out. No worry about my court case, God have that lock. Too blessed, God have my court case lock. Go worry about the girl where you fuck your man where you still a sucky mode.
What's your answer? No, Rosalie my life. She did my life after the rebellion now.
No, don't mute her, block her. Kira, don't mute her. Too blessed, black, too blessed. Too blessed come draw me child through my body hard. I no remember say me I serve God. God sister them a text it for me. Father God will forgive me because I'm a father. Too blessed come draw me child through my body hard. I want me a nose make me pop through it for go down your throat for your belch. Cause you like a long time you no blood clot belch. The Lord will forgive me. Too blessed. Come here, come draw me child through my body hard. I want me a nose make me poop in it. Make it go down in your throat, go digest. Make your burp.
Too blessed, set up. Too blessed, big and shape.
Too blessed, go what about the girl that have her man where she still a sucky mood. Because, hey, guys, I gotta hold me, you know. Because I'm out nasty, you know.
Come on, tell them frozen thinking, boy.
Momo, remember about Tom on man, Momo, me have feelings. Momo, tell the truth, me have feelings, me not trouble them. So me have to make them know me can't go down in it.
My girl, you have to be
Shansi my knees. Oh God, Shansi, a week no Rosa ride my back. Week no Rosa ride my back. Me have feelings, man. Oh God, man, them gone out for my mother. Dirty Candy and Rosalie and all of them gone out for my mother. All my mother, them gone pan. All my mother.
Too strong crop. And they want to bigger when you play the balance.
All my mother, them gone pan. I'm not trouble them. You see how you stay. You don't play the game fair. You make me ring test then no.
Come out here and like I'm on here.
Get in that trouble, look for friend.
Yeah, a friend, brother.
Hey!
Shansi me want to rope them, you know. them down, my people them are ball for them, you know. Come here, I tell you, you know, the whole of we are sinner, you know, the Bible said the man without sin cast the first stone, you know. Them not jam me up, more rose know so we can go down Quaco Street with all. More candy know so we can fling back last stone with him. More them know so we can talk to. You see through me now answer them. That's why them text it for me. Me have to make them know me can do it.
So can they talk to?
Yeah, and gone for my mother in a fridge 3 days. And then come out back a class, my mother with dead.
Righty.
Anyhow, me don't make my voice be heard, them not allow me. I want me look bad for the media and them stay bad.
So you know what more I say about the candy part, my people, because she go talk, you know. You see me, the woman yeah, she go talk about the things that she do for candy. You see me, and you know what I mean, the line where she have to turn up in her for go get candy where him forget. You understand? So hear me have to say about that still. You know what I mean? She wrong for taking money if she taking money. Because what him did there, him not have no way to make no money. You see me I say? So whatever him get from who send it to him, she you know should I make him know say, yo, you know say me take some more time for do such and such, and me feel like him would understand. You see me? But him have to know say she have to spend no much time for sort out what she has sort out for him, and then turn up in a line for come look for him. You see me? When nobody else nah do. You see me? Him and Rosalie good, but me don't know if Rosalie go link him like how she go link him. You see me I say? So him still have to give she some big up, even if him thinks say she take him money. Him still have to give her some big up, because I know everybody are gonna do that. You see me I say? So we're gonna watch some more people and then we're gonna go over cheese.
Them look bad, stay bad, nyam bad, sleep bad, run bad, walk bad, bad. Yeah, fix it. That me I say snow. That me I say. No! Because at the end of the day, my body is still at school. Guys, when you catch me, good sign. No, I only pass side to people, them can't leave me now. Them can't let go me now. Me not trouble them can't allow me. Because the amount of people can be the man thief. The amount of people them broken at the house and thief. But you can't call me thief.
More people when say life and candy than a foreign. Like the officers set them set up candy.
You know what when candy they are jail and me alone stand firm on the ground. The dirty drum crop.
I already talk to candy. Then you got to central and you know what the
Oreo.
Yes, the Oreo in our own.
I don't know if we want Oreo then there. I don't know if my rat family them gone with it.
Right, to me up on the line.
And big one I bring me down to. And then big one come for me life I say never say no. And me and big one go, me know big one mother, brother, sister, everybody. everybody. I'm never try violate Big One and him family them. And Big One team up with Candy and violate me. And then I come go on like him good. And that's why I'm telling people life no play no hypocrite role with me. Me are no hypocrite, so I can't away do my auntie. Acrylic. So I'm do the little press on now. Can me there before you? No, me I go and do the live and do the press on. I can't stay no longer. Let me do the little press on. I can't wait till the acrylic. Yeah, but me have to cook too. Even look sardine and rice with 2 sausage pink pan in it. Why? Yeah, me have feelings, guys. And when me I say the wicked people them now look at fun and joke aside, guys. Me I say something to you, me I go done. Me done, but me I say something to you. Candy they are jail. Candy man they are jail. Candy and the man have nobody for visit them and me. So if Candy moderator give me 30,000 for visit him, I'ma bring 1 bread, 1 bun, as what them say. 1 bottle of water me still bring. You still get a visit. No, may the wicked people them listen to them now. May the wicked people them listen to them. You can't, if we have no family.
And expensive for visit.
No, we know for visit man a jail or go, cause we are gangster girl. We are gangster girl.
Yeah.
But me I say, if evil you get little stuff, I say, moderator, my money I get Kasha. And she said 30,000. I get little stuff. Say, oh God, Kasha must take something. Me I call it. But me not take nothing. Me swear upon me pinning them life. Me swear upon me pinning them life.
I mean not get free for the visiting. I'm do. So if I even get some more time, they deserve it. Because them can't pay for your time to stand up in a funnel to line up for blood clot the visiting. Me I tell you that. So them people don't know how to
Hey, you think Central visiting line? Central line long like embassy. Like a visa, you know.
Go unfair line.
Me know about unfair. You see Central, you see how Central yard long.
We go Central
and the visit go round the corner in the road.
Because look.
You have to line up with the ID.
I mean, I come out to us, you come so. I say I'm coming.
And when you visit them at Central, you can't see them.
So the ear what she has my people. So that alone him fi big her up for. You see me? Cause she never did have to do it, but she do it for him. Although him say she take him money still. So me I say, so if him a go hard upon her, him have to go easy. You know what I mean? Because she do good amount of things for him. You understand what I say? So him have to just big her up for that and just know say I saw it go. You know what I mean? So we're gonna watch some more my people and then we're gonna go over cheese and hear what cheese I say. Cause them say she get them all on her and she also, you know what I mean, say some things about Ivan too. So we'll watch some more of this and then we'll go over there.
See you and you can't see them because them there at the front and the jailhouse they way around at the back.
When we used to visit, we could have seen them.
And Candy say me come at jail, come visit him mother. Candy say me come at jail, come visit him in a dirty slippers. And him are looking at the food, if Mugu in there at the gate. My nose big but it clean. Me can't go so. Nothing will come out of my nose. But when you get up, you have to look back. Me cranny. Candy never have no. Hey, Candy call me on phone and say, Kasha, thank you. Me never have nobody for do this to me, no. But thank you for visit me. And look where I say no. To him come out. Me too enough. Me too enough. Everybody, I know the people there. Hey, Father God, stand up and fight for me. Rosalie and me come visit. And police look Rosalie. The police have scanned Rosalie. Rosalie a big celebrity. And Rosalie step in a central and go one side with the police and then push her back. Rosalie come tell Candy say police and look at which police? The police will tell me say me like how me look. Now me army suit with my pattern black crepe. You're crazy. Rosalie slippers and left her foot can't wear out. Rosalie slippers them flat. Rosalie every for them slippers and them not serve her no time. Rosalie shoes them fit bill because her weight alone not take them down. Rosalie want a crane for lift her foot. So me don't know how Rosalie beard. When me beard fat as me beard. When me a beard me cock up my foot on the wall and rub me leg them. Rosalie more see between your legs. I'm never no baga on TikTok, you know. And them jam me out. Me don't know how Rosalie beard because when me a beard me like rest my foot on the bathroom wall and take my rag and rub the look black on my leg.
Me hear shut up say, me hear Kenya say, oh when I barrel bust, when I barrel pull, one patin shall bust out, that the barrel just said blood and who want to get
No, we tell you, a long time. Me get me right number. Yes, sir. Come let me do the press on, me do the press. Come now, let me one charger on my phone again. You charger there.
Get in charger.
The charger of phone for supper coming. Oh, you don't have the press on already, put it on. Me I do my finger. Me I turn it a different way. Put some behind this now. Mind you mash up my technology, you know. Try put some behind this. Some want a ring light, guys. Guys, anybody can buy me a ring light. Come now, you are where you are for. I want some of them there for catch the phone. Sure. All right. Match my technology, me I do my finger then. Order. Guys, they're gonna do something, no? Me not add nobody for my life. Someone not mix up. Me don't know how, I don't know. You just stay in the comment. Me I put her one on my ear with slave boss, give me. Rosalie said, Becky, where you say? Rosalie said, he must give me 3 ears and she don't see me in none of them. I know he must give me no ear, slave boss. He must not give me no ear. To outside the big back Rosalie. Big back Rosalie. We can't turn good pan our bed. With my bed where we can run pan and skate pan the tool. Guys, they're gonna do money gun now if you don't love me. Guys, anyone who love me, they're gonna do money gun me I watch.
Alright, my people. So, tell me what you think. And we're going to go over cheese and hear what cheese I say.
Yeah, they are jail. Yeah, them the nastiness for them.
All them something there. What kind of jail should them not see me come live?
Yeah.
One of the person do the live straight thing say I got bills on the great bro. I want to pan live straight through. You think say me make money pan live? Me no make no money pan live. You know me not have to come. Me tell you say live I'm a therapy and I think I do it me and fucking make. Bro, me no, most time when me make money, me keep me cash it back out and go give the people them gift. Now I tell you like when a few times I cash out money on my account of course. But me don't really make money yet so. Like how people that come and know say, alright then, I go bam up the day, I go get this. Me give them the definite.
Me I go beg before court start, cause me need to help somebody and me want the begging. So, hello, anybody can cash up me $120 or $130. I appreciate it. Me only want $50 to help somebody. Thank you very much. I can put up the cash up. Please, when me cash up, then I can put up it.
7 o'clock, baby, who want the thing go fast and good. So
I know someone
dress up in a bit nice.
I'm a whole, did you sell $2,000? I'm a whole $1,000. Then hear them or something, you know.
That's so much fun, yeah. I say me used to have many phones. Right now I be a text.
Me have 7 chips.
The rest of phone there.
Me have 7 SIM card.
Me, in America, you couldn't have that though.
Not at
You
all.
have
Not
7
if I
dumb
don't
SIM
put
card, cause that would have been what?
as a
Mighty
scammer.
God.
As a scammer.
1,
Use
2,
them cause
3,
problem.
350 a month.
Don't that.
Huh?
You wouldn't
Use
dare.
them cause
A
problem, man.
350 a month that I'm trying
And
more
one
said.
cause
This is not
problem.
like Digicel.
If you
When
don't,
time you blood clot no pay that I eat that you can't get no call, you can't get no text, you can't get nothing out of that.
tell them to put up like
So I don't like Digicel when
That's
they
why
not
me
put on
glad
a
for
credit, you can't
Jamaica.
have it run for your time, baby. Nope. Over here say you have to pay a bill.
So anybody's kind enough can send me 2,000 digital credit and 1,000 lime. I appreciate it. Thank you.
What can you do to entertain the crowd? Because it's all about entertainment.
entertainment.
I
If you
can
can
sing
entertain the
and I
crowd,
can
they can
sing.
send you some
I
gift.
can
This is
sing and I can
TikTok.
dance, you know.
Whatever you want,
I
you
can
can get.
do the things
I'm going to put you in the big box right now, and you show us what you got.
Show us the emotion.
Sha la 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 la.
He's a wicked to me, so.
Come fuck it here. Yeah, beg the people them credit. Tell them a little poem, a little. So when see when you egg on somebody, you never know you can pick up all more than a credit money now. But you're
Okay.
not the vibes. You come dry.
I am a boy.
No.
My
Leave the
name
media
is
Aries.
Pam.
Leave the media alone, Aries. Please.
I am a girl. My name is Pam. See my bag here. See my butt here.
Murder.
Come down.
One
You
day
have
we
to
got
come down,
it.
Aries.
Oh my
Come down,
God.
you shall come down. You
I
have to
am
come
big.
down.
I am little.
Yeah. I said cheese, me call you
What
when
am I
you
the storybook there? What am I the storybook there?
With the mango, make up your mind. With the mango.
Then they give Aries some gift. She
big
wants
mango
something.
tree. Somebody can send Aries
One
more
thing with
money for it.
Jamaica TikTok, you can cash out every day.
Not over here.
I used to love it once upon a time. I used to love it.
I can't read story phone, you know. I can't read story.
Reading up.
People today are Friday ears that beg $2,000 credit. So no just send out one wheel and make sure cashed out by credit.
One wheel angle management.
One wheel angle the bangle.
Only a wheel. Put a blandy on the screen.
Money gone.
Drop a blandy on the screen.
Hey, please. I saw my girl let it sell out,
Blandy
man.
want hear me. Me say dream. Me go rub out your blood clot anyway. Me see a dirty girl. Cause you don't even know me no compare with them meds there today, you know. Me a laugh, come and say me can't believe somebody get lucky out time see. Lucky get dark, you know, you can see say the hotel with them find out about. Lucky him now over there. If you never expose me information, lucky you make that come out their mouth. And that kill me, make me have to run go up on the blood clot live, you know, come here and say, lucky what you say? You're mad, me glad me there to see this.
Expose him address?
This dirty dream body, you can't tell no for that.
That's what them call the hotel
Neutral is a neutral individual blood clot all about ya. Everybody cuss me. Oi, you must say everybody cuss me. Shay cuss me already. Lucky cuss me.
Sell out.
A blood clot body cuss me. I'm still stay mutual, so you chat to blood clot out. Oh, me no know where you go over there and come talk about oh me a fake. Me fake what? Oh me fake. Me I don't want the realest thing on the app. Cause me no walk off up blood clot people. More than me know say it's a shootout and it can never end. Now have you up. Just know say for your can after me is always a can for can until it blood clot done. You get me? You wanna we have to wave the flag feet down.
Yeah.
She look like I am a boy.
Hello.
Listen to here is me not have a problem with Shay right now, cause Shay not have a problem with me.
Is that
If you have a problem with Shay, me can understand that. Me not deal with that right now. Me I tell you the truth. Isn't it? Yeah, cause me I don't have no problem to be honest. I know she violate me. She not doing nothing.
Also, I saw screen record.
Person over there.
Bust
one Dream Drunk Crow.
So where you say cheese, them shake up lucky boots.
Them straight lucky like a tree. Hello, them all fruits right. Come here, let me get it. Them all fruits right lucky, you know. And straight the grape tree. Them straight up the grape tree of a blood clot.
Lucky the full out farm, you know. I mean, even
Ask
the thing
them
when I got
angle
through.
lucky bangle. Remember me tell you that me see lucky face. Lucky get at it. You're fucking lucky.
Lucky hotel and port. Lucky about them.
Lucky say anybody.
Baby.
Listen, Lucky say anybody expose him information in now.
Him a go mash up the place.
Him a go and bad that kill me.
But we not.
Yeah, so people every time is a different thing with Destiny. Me nah like I want to go on with him now. I mean I tell her, yo, feel like say Destiny reason why him come on TikTok and go on with so much things because him in things with a bag of people, you know. You see me I say? And me feel like say why him do that is because him there at a place where him not have nobody there like that. You see me? So him just come on TikTok and go on with a bag of things for entertain himself and other people. So we are going to hear some more what she's have to say and then we are going to end it with people.
Cheese, me see the full out. You can't say one thing.
Me can stay loyal to people from media.
What the fuck?
Stay loyal to my group when I have a blood clot builder.
Remember say we
That
walk
me stay loyal to. Me not stay loyal to no. Wait, move.
I told them black with Coco girl. That's why you not get to see that they live because
listen, I'll be a moderator do the blacking. A moderator they over there do the blacking. She good at even know cause I saw it over yesterday too. And I black up the people them. I say that dream person them want know who. I don't know who you know.
yeah, I forgot get to our FBI.
No, we have to run the file for true.
Yeah, we have to go get the file run.
Because I wanted to know the ladies who for true.
I'm saying the hottest thing you know I cramp the fuck out the long mouth lucky she.
Hold on.
You know, word what the people them attack say I put them if it tap in eyes. I want to expose them. I want to expose them.
Everybody page.
You can't understand what about the computer. Yeah, no. I mean, email not even go in. Nothing to understand.
Guys, stop up the screen. Can I judge the 10K live before 6 o'clock?
Imagine in our country and can't speak their language.
One at a time, let me see my type.
German, French, she has
16 year old. Push get everything into the surf lucky. When them thing with the surf blood clot lucky. Why them dirty people over Sheffield and me surf lucky that dirty body girl call me blood clot name. What them really actually attack? But come not understand the dream person attack.
People deal with the live goal.
Oh, dream is a big barrel. A big blood clot blue barrel dream. We are calling over Sheffield. You see them people when they were big. Always have a problem with small people.
You send me a blue barrel. You cannot give the girl my name.
No, my friend. You can't put yourself with that. You can roll that 3 barrel that's in a one, man.
Oh, Jesus.
3 barrel that's in a blood clot. One lady, leave my blood clot alone. Anything when a band within a life, you can purchase it. So could big old bagado. Leave me.
Who is dream? Which page? Who for page did they pan?
Overshare me the dream authentic. Go look on the dirty woman. Jesus Christ. I don't know if authentic or Atlantic. I don't know which one the drunk name, but one of them name there.
Authentic. Dream, you gonna come a quote.
Dream Atlantic Ocean.
I always the barrel we can run down one hill without a year people.
You know me? What kind of fake? Fake? Tell me I'm fake with. If you can tell me I'm fake with, then I can understand. If me fake to you, then me say fair enough. Because that's how I'm going to be and I'm not going to change. But me don't know where I tell lady don't attack me them where they fuck out or long time recipe shop. No call me blood clot name.
Hold on there, Mr. Cheesy. Yesterday me the school and me see Amari pan bling alive. One piece of jam at the pussy blood clot. Me say me reach by the floor.
Pussy carry.
I reach on the ground.
My client, 7 o'clock is sport. Okay, my client.
Alright, but Tracy, I come with a good liar to adapt. I tell you the
Miss Tracy
people
already
wicked
have
here.
her lawyer.
Yeah, them people up on TikTok, I don't know why them just
Nobody
figure
me can
this
represent
phone
my
and
blood
always make it be
clot
a big
self.
thing.
My client, I'm
We
gonna
can't
need
stay loyal, we can't stay loyal to nobody. This is the media. People change like this. You hear the finger snap like this, so
I'm if
bam.
you tell you. I'm if the blood clot tell
You
you.
know why them boys no sense, brother. Boy, me build a group. Those are the people I'm going to try my very best to stay loyal to. That me I tell you, 'cause we are all human beings, you know.
as a boss, my friend.
You know, say, Siri. You know, say prayer work.
Hello, you me tell you,
What
talk
you
to me,
mean?
Siri.
Prayer work holy, but not for them people
Prayer
that believe
work.
in a God.
You never know, me not tell
Prayer
you.
work.
It take me for tell you to
Siri.
firework, girl.
You remember this situation when me they go through?
Yes.
Yeah.
And what me
Live
tell
it
you?
to the man that come back to me, girl.
Me tell you to
Ready.
go down on your knee, girl. Knee
Don't
sitting
talk to
everything where
you.
you
I
want
be a
to
prayer
Father
warrior
God.
there over here, say no.
And where you
The
not here,
man the
girl?
ball.
You saw the day cheese come out and we roll out 199 and 109
He
and
said
everybody run
the
like
devil
sheep.
really and truly in control. Remember when we used to come pray every minute and then something else will come
Okay.
pray as a judgment. Hey, me I tell you God.
Say, Siri, every night me go on my bed with tears in my eye. Cause there's a thing when me calm, so me cannot believe me I go through this.
But me tell you say to pray to God, girl. Just cry to God. The time where you dey cry to everybody. Go and bawl to Father Jesus. And him alone can me tell you, whatever
That
God
could be a
put together,
combination for
and
girl.
him alone can take it apart. And that a lot of people don't understand. You see what God bring together, and him alone can take it apart.
Hold on, somebody send
Last night my husband are looking at me eye play cry.
And you not thank Father God.
And you not
Girl,
cry
I'm
too.
so holy man, me, I'm a pray.
So you not
Okay, you
cry
see?
too.
Girl, my heart is so soft. You could have asked me that.
I
Jesus,
want to cry in the
Coco,
moment.
Coco.
Ivan here now with people. What go on with Ivan here now? You don't know nothing? Tell me in the comment section. You see me? Tell me what you hear I go on with Ivan. You see me? So, alright, just so me I go end it with people. Just let me know what you think in the comment